Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to remove echo from your sound recordings in Audacity. So first of all I'm going to open my sample echo file, so I'm going to open it. Okay, so this is my sample and I'm just going to play it back and show you the way it sounds. So this is what it sounds like. And now let's proceed into attempting removing the echo. Alright, so from here you want to choose a certain part of your audio clip or a music file, whatever you want, and don't forget to press on this selection tool, or you can just press F1 on your keyboard and you can just select any type of the clip. I'm going to choose this one, and from here you want to go to Effects, Noise Removal and Repair, and click on noise reduction. And from here, if the OK button is not highlighted for you and you can't do anything, just do not forget to press on this Get Noise Profile. Alright, just click on it, go to the noise reduction again. And from here, the most important setting is the noise reduction in decibels. So you also can preview. There's a preview button, right? So for example, I will press the preview. Now it plays back my file, and if I increase, for example, my noise reduction to 20 and then click preview, as you can see it reduces the noise and the volume, and the file is now changed, and you can adjust this to your liking as much as you want. You can also adjust the sensitivity. When you're finished, just press OK, and as you can see, this part that I have chosen has a smaller visual graph. So after you've chosen a optimal preset for yourself to remove your echo, select the whole clip by pressing on this gray section here. As you can see now, the entire clip is now selected, and then go to the effect again and press on repeat noise reduction. And now, depending on how much noise reduction you have chosen, that entire value will be applied onto your entire clip. Alright, and when you're done you can just go to File, Export Audio. From here you want to choose your file name, where to save the file, you can choose the format, you can choose the audio options as well for the quality, and then click Export File. So this is how you successfully remove echo from your audio files in Audacity. Thank you for watching, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.